Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a quick video on finishing some wood sculptures with some Minwax fast drying polyurethane clear semi-gloss. And according to the can, it is superior durability and long-lasting protection. So anyway, basically what you want to do is, like, if you have a sculptures like this is for a customer of mine that's been good to me, giving me a lot of work, a lot of handyman work. And so I took these, it's 3 fish, sanded them down with like 120 grit, just to get some of the imperfections off. And then you take a brush like this one, this is just a little 3-inch cheap brush, and you take that Minwax, dip it in a can just a tad, and then go over the wood like that. All right, so this coat that I'm putting on right now is actually the 3rd coat. I find that doing 3 coats puts a nice layer on there, gives him a good protection for a long time. The first ones I did for him, he had for like over 10 years, and you could see there was weathered and everything, but other than that, they were still in pretty good shape. So like I said, sand everything down. These are pretty new, so it didn't take too much sanding. You can use, like I said, 120 grit sandpaper or 150, or if you have like a wire wheel with a small wire wheel brush, you can use that too, and that can actually add or take away from the design however you want it. And what I did with these, as a matter of fact, right here, I don't know if you can see the contrast. This here, I stained it a little bit, like a darker color, just to have a contrast between, this part and the fish part. Because when it's actually flat on the wall, and his wall, I believe, is like a tan color. So it's actually, these will stand out big time. And they're mounted like sporadically, you know what I'm saying? Like one will be here, one will be up here, and another one will be down here. So it definitely, it falls with the eye so that you can follow it. And the fish eyes were actually the same color as the body, so I went in and stained the eyes so they can be more pronounced. See, from a distance you can see that they're actually dark. But yeah, so this takes about like 6 hours, I guess, to dry. And what I do is, like I said, after I'm done with the layers, I'll set it up on my table there and just let them dry. So I'm delivering these on Wednesday, and I've had them for like a month because I've been really busy. So I've been doing it as time permits. Anyway, there you go, guys. Like I said, how to finish some wood structures. Some wood fabricated. Oh my God, what did I call them? Now I totally forgot. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Ask me any questions about this, and I'll answer them in the comments below. All right? Well, thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.